Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and yeah, I found this lock very cheap on eBay, made by KASP, who actually make some pretty decent locks. The 19070X is really lovely, and it does rate this as a 9 out of 15, so you know, just a little bit past the centre, more towards a medium to medium high on the security scale. Anything about it? 9 year. Oh, just no. I thought it was a 9 year guarantee. It's a security rating of 9. 10 year guarantee. Okay, so it's a 9 security rating, 10 year guarantee, moderately weatherproof as well. All right. So this is the K16060D, which actually is very much in the same naming convention that they use for a number of their locks. So let's give this a bit of, ow, I'm always stabbing myself with that sharp plastic corner. This isn't as old as some of the other ones I've bought recently on eBay, as sort of new old stock. So let's give this a bit of a go. I'll ignore the keys for now, and we'll just have a look at the lock. Okay, so these are normally 4 or 5 pins. Let's grab a turning tool and see if I can get one which actually fits. That isn't so bad. We'll give it the rake test first, I think, just to see whether we can get this to rake open. Oh, I think we've got a false set, which it shows that there is some security pins in here, so that's a good sign. So we're not instantly raking this open. We can get a false set. Just trying to go with something a bit more refined, like a snake rake. It'd be good if this doesn't instantly rake open and it sort of makes us actually have to pick this. It is awkward to tension as well. But yeah, so far it's actually holding up reasonably well. We're into a full set. That's about as good as it gets. So let's try, I've got a pick here. Let's try a pick. Let's see what is holding us back. So is it pin 1? No. Pin 2? No. Pin 3 maybe. Could be pin 1. Might have to back off the tension a little bit. There we go. And because back off the tension a little bit more. Checking. There's 4 pins, I think. Cancel rotation on that one. And wow, look at that lean. Look at that lean on there. So we've definitely got something which is giving us some counter rotation. I can try on, that's for pin 3 maybe. Oh, and we got it. That was very, very weird. It's got like a crazy amount of false set in there, but it's definitely got security pins, which means that this isn't too bad. You know, let's have a look at the key. What have we got there? A little 4 pins, I think. So this is very low set, this is very high set, and those are mediums. So not bad little thing. Oh, it's, can you hear that though? Really, yeah, not great. I do think we might have a chance of raking this lock though if we're very, very lucky. I don't know if I'm going to be lucky. Okay, I found a rake which I think will get this open. It's a pretty tricky rake because it wants to go into that false set, but yeah, we got it. There you go, that's the KASP 16060D. Certainly a little bit better than I was expecting. It's got some decent security pins in. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. If you have any comments about this lock, then leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And I'll catch you all next time.